Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I will teach you step by step how you can change the interface language for your Steam application on your computer or laptop. So let's get started. In the first step, launch the Steam application on your computer. And here on your home feed, click on Steam in the very top left corner and select settings from that drop-down menu. That is going to take you to your account settings. Now here on the left hand side, you will see a list of available departments. So to change the language, head over to the interface department. And after that, here to the right, here at the top, you will see that option, Steam Client Language. Select the language you want Steam to use. Requires a restart. So if you click on that drop-down menu here to the right, you will be given the opportunity to select your preferred language. So let me switch from English, let's say, to French really quickly. If you switch to another language, guys, Steam will also ask you to restart the application. So do that really quickly. And once you have restarted Steam, it will be displayed in the new or changed language. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.